is how to add link into your TikTok bio. So first of all, open up, of course, TikTok app and then go to your profile. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you will see edit profile option. So basically tap on it. Next step, what we can do, we can add links. This means you just tap on links and add links to your Instagram or YouTube. So it's very simple and easy. You just log into your Instagram and of course share this information to your TikTok account. And second one, you just tap on next to bio, tap on this specific arrow over here, then just paste your link that you want to show in. At the moment I just copied my TikTok link and I just paste it over here, and then just tap on save at the top right corner of the screen and you will see, one moment, and you will see your link over here. I just need it. Alright, and here you are.